It's a great day. My name is Shay Brown, the sales cardiologist, and our company is Peak Performance Institute. And what we do is we teach you an easier way to be successful in sales. So here I'm at. I'm at Small Biz on Fleek, right here in Laurel, Maryland. And at Small Biz on Fleek, there are a number of presenters that are sharing tools and ideas and strategies to help us make more sales with less effort, help us grow our business, and for us to grow personally. One of the presenters, sometimes there's someone that stands out amongst others. And although I came to teach, thanks to Lyman A. Montgomery, I was taught. Isn't that something else? And as I was taught, he talked about a subject that was very important, which is focus. Now, for those that are hearing about Lyman A. Montgomery for the very first time, he is the #1 African-American expert in the area focus. And so what he talked about is that you got to be focused on your goals, you got to have your affirmation, and you have to take massive action. Now, here's something that I learned from Lyman A. Montgomery. He said, Shay, every morning, write down these 3 affirmations. I am focused, and during the middle of the day, I am focused, I will remain focused, and at the end of the day, thank God I maintain my focus. And just those 3 ideas, and he went in detail during his seminar. Now, look, if you haven't had a speaker come out, I'm going to back up for a moment, and I'm going to rewind for a moment. I'm going to come back over here, but I'm going to rewind. If you're looking for a speaker for your webinar, for your live event, for your conference call, for your live stream event, someone to be part of your podcast or your blog or your video blog, reach out to Lyman A. Montgomery and say, hey, look, Shay said you want him to talk about focus. Here's why. I took him up on the idea. I've been able to maintain the idea. As a result, I'm more productive, I feel better, and I'm working a heck of a lot smarter, all because of Lyman A. Montgomery. So what's my recommendation? Reach out to Lyman A. Montgomery. You can probably look right there. There's a site you can reach him. Have him at your next event. With that being said, my name is Shay Brown, the sales cardiologist. Make it a great day, everyone. We're going to make good things happen. We connect again next time. Thanks a lot, Lyman A. Montgomery. You rock. You're amazing. Look forward to catching you again soon.